Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, the red box down below, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and let's jump right into it. So to start off, you're just going to want to moisturize those lips, make sure they're not dry. To start off, we'll be using the Tarte Drink of H2O moisturizer. Gonna dab it all over your face and rub it in. What you're gonna want to do is you don't want to let that dry up a bit before you go in with our next step, which will be primer. I'm going to go in with the Makeup Forever Step 1 primer to add a little bit more moisturization. And for brows, I'm gonna go in with the Goof Proof Brow Pencil in shade number 6. And for my brows, I'm not going to do too much. I'm just going to fill in little gaps that I see, little spaces that I see in between my hairs. And then I'm just going to go in with some concealer to clean that up. And I apologize if I'm looking at the side of the camera. It's just that the way that my mirror was set up, it made it seem a little bit awkward, but I decided to switch it up and use my palette. Now my hair was all in my way. I kept grabbing onto it, so I decided to just take a little band and push all them suckers back. Now I'm just gonna paste those eyebrows down to my forehead because these hairs are extra long and they tend to fly everywhere. We're gonna get started on the eyes, so you just wanna prime the eyelids so that your eyeshadows stick to your eyelids and become more vibrant. Then set the primer. We're gonna go in with the beautiful 35P palette from Morphe. Tell me, aren't these shades amazing? Like, just look at them. It's so freaking pretty. I've been dying to use this palette. To start off, we're gonna go in with the bottom left shade. It's like a brown. And we're gonna use that as a transition shade. So you just wanna put that all over your eyelids. Tap, tap. Blend, blend, blend. Don't forget to blend. Then we're gonna go in with the shade that's right next to it. It's a more darker brown. It's a darker brown. And you wanna put that all in the crease. So just blend that all into the crease, a little bit lower than the previous shade. We're gonna grab that first brush that we used with the lighter brown, and we're just gonna blend. And then I grabbed my Morphe M421 and sprayed some Max Fix Plus on it. Grab that second purple shade and carve out your eyelid. And then with a pencil brush, I decided to grab that matte purple to just pack it on the corner on the outer corner of the eyelid. And I went back in with the brush that I used for the crease and just blended everything out. Unfortunately, I decided to do the winged eyeliner off camera. Now we're gonna move on to the face. The Veil Mineral Primer from Hourglass. So we're gonna go in with the lovely Fenty foundation. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake that Fenty. To apply my foundation, I'm gonna take the Morphe Beauty Sponge and just gonna dab it all on my face. So the only thing with this foundation is you have to kind of use a lot of it to conceal, we're going to be going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Natural. To blend that concealer, I'm going to go in with the Morphe E8 brush. It's actually one of my favorite brushes to blend my concealer in. To set the concealer, we're going to grab a translucent setting powder or any kind of setting powder you guys have, and you're just going to set underneath the eyes and your forehead, your nose, your chin, anywhere you put concealer, I guess. For bronzer, we're going to go in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This has to be one of my favorite bronzers ever. And it's so inexpensive as well. Now for bronzing, you're just going to want to basically make your face come to life, because when you applied all that foundation, you mattified and you one-toned your face, and your face in reality is not one-toned. So you're just going to want to bring your face back to life. So we're going to bronze that sucker up a little bit. Or a lot of it. Yeah, I think a lot of it. Blush, we're gonna go in with Milani Big Blush in Luminoso. Now I like to smile just because when I smile, the apples of my cheeks tend to appear a lot more. For mascara, I just grabbed my favorite L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. For lashes, I'm just going to go in with the Ardell Natural Multi-Pack. With a pencil brush, we're just going to go in with the same shades that we use for our eyelids, and just going to put it on the bottom lash line. Then I'm going to grab my waterproof Sephora mascara. Not mascara, it's a eyeliner pencil. So we're going to grab our Sephora waterproof eyeliner pencil in black and just apply that on the bottom line. For highlighter, I decided to go in with my favorite highlighters at the moment, and that is the Master Chrome highlighter and obviously Champagne Pop. I'm just gonna add a little bit of glow from above onto my cheekbones. I want to say that this literally lip gloss is bomb.com. To add a little bit of pop on top of it, because the Kylie Cosmetics did kind of blend into my skin a little too much, I decided to go in with the My Tai Buxon lip gloss. For the final step, to keep it all in place, you don't want your makeup to move, we're gonna go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and we're just gonna spray our face. And that completes my final look. Now just let your hair loose, let it down, put it up, I don't know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave this channel. Bye. So this look is actually pretty important to me, in the sense that this year we just found out my grandmother has Alzheimer's and dementia. So the purple came from the Alzheimer's ribbon, is a purple ribbon. So I wanted to dedicate this makeup look and tutorial to my grandmother. You know, I know she's going through a lot, and I don't want anything else but to make her proud of me and to make her happy. And knowing I'm doing what I love, I'm pretty sure she'll be happy with it. So this is for you, mommy. Love you.